Homeowners insurance, it's part of my mortgage payment. So the bank takes care of it. What do I have to say about it? Who decides on the coverage? Unless you've lost your homeowner's policy due to non-payment, you make all the decisions on the company, the amount of coverage, and the extent of coverage. The bank controls the escrow, monthly collects part of the amount needed to pay for your policy, but you are the person that makes the major decisions. So if you don't increase the face amount of the policy on a regular basis, if you don't check the coverage yearly, if you don't keep your eye on the deductibles and check to see what they've excluded this year, you will become the big loser when damage occurs. The pages they send you with the renewal letter, this is not the whole policy. The whole policy could be 80 or more pages long. Have you ever seen it? So how important is this to you? Give me 15 minutes to review your homeowner's policy. I could make or save you thousands. This is a free policy review. There is nothing to buy. We do not sell insurance. My name is Bob Gunther. My telephone number is 201-982-1223. I am a licensed public adjuster. You could use this QR code